Scratch is an interactive programming language on the internet. It's very interesting software to create animations, stories, games, and even music without needing to know a specific programming language. It's a free educational website designed especially for young people ages 8 to 16, but people of all ages create and share with it. Scratch allows children to think outside the box and fully express themselves. Furthermore, the projects they develop are fun and exciting, making learning something enjoyable. By being part of a community of makers and creators, kids will be able to receive all of the feedback they need to strengthen their development, to listen to others who might have faced similar issues in the past, and to work hard on another important ability for the 21st century. Also, there are two versions of Scratch, an offline one and an online one, allowing the users freedom to use the one they prefer. And now, I'll show you step by step how to use the online version of Scratch. You'll be automatically in the website where you can find examples of different projects. If you'll start creating a new project, click the button Create at the top of the page. But if you want to save all your projects, I advise you to create an account. You can just click the button Join Scratch, and if you have already one, you can click the button Sign In. And now, I'll give you a general idea of what's on this page. This type of video is really useful because it shows you how to create animations step by step. I'll show you an example of that later. On the top of the page, we have code, customs, and sounds. Let's start with customs. You can change the name of your sprite to a cat, for example. As you can see here, the function of X and Y is to render the coordinates, and every time I move my sprite, the coordinates change. And from here, you can change the size or even the direction of the sprite, like this way. And now, let's move to code. The code is composed of a lot of blocks. Let me introduce to you the most important one. Motion blocks control the movement of the sprite to which they are attached. These blocks allow the user to interact with the program using the keyboard and mouse. Looks blocks affect the appearance of the sprite. And finally, the control blocks allow multiple sprites to be created and controlled. Let's finish with the last block, the sound block. Quite simply, the sound block is used to control sound functions. Before I finish the video, do you remember? I already told you that I'm going to show you an example of the videos shown on the creating page. Let's watch it together.
Let's start by grabbing a move block. We can click the block to run it. There are many other blocks to choose from. Check out the different categories. Let's go to the sound category and grab a play sound until done block. I'll snap this onto our move block. When do we want these code blocks to run? Add an event block on top to start the code. I'll add the when green flag clicked block. You can easily reorder or delete these blocks at any time.
This is the end of the video. Hope you all enjoy it. And now, goodbye. Take care of yourself.